Good morning, children. Welcome again to geography class. This is the continuation of the chapter Mineral and Energy Resources. In this video, I'll be teaching you about manganese, copper and bauxite. So let us begin with manganese. Manganese is a very important mineral and India ranks third in the world. So let us see what are the main uses of manganese, why it is important. First is, it is the most important mineral for making iron and steel. Without using manganese, iron and steel cannot be manufactured. As it is written here that 9 kg of manganese is required for manufacturing 1 ton of steel. So this is the ratio of manganese which is used to make iron and steel. Then second utility is, it is also used for the manufacture of bleaching powder, insecticides, dry batteries and china clay. And we can say that it is an alloy. It decreases the brittleness of steel and imparts strength. Here the question comes, what is the utility of manganese is in iron and steel industries? It is a very useful mineral in iron and steel industries. Why? Because it makes steel strong, first thing. Then it removes impurities and makes it immune to rusting. So that's why it is used in the iron and steel industries. Then another use of manganese is, it is used in the preparation of organic and inorganic chemicals. It is also used in paints, pigments and the ceramics. So all these are the uses of manganese. Now where is it found in India? Let us see the distribution. The first state is Odisha. It is the leading producer of manganese. And in which districts of Odisha it is mined? It is mined in Sundargarh, Keonjhar and Mayurbhanj. So children, you can learn one district with state with 2 districts of each. Then second state is Karnataka, and it is the second largest producer of manganese, and the main districts are Bellary and Chitradurg. Third is Maharashtra, and the main districts are Nagpur and Bhandara. Ratnagiri also, but you learn only 2. Then fourth district is Madhya Pradesh, and the main districts are Chhindwara and Balaghat. Now we come to page 178. 178. It is the continuation of manganese. So those were the main states, but there are some other states also, children, like Gujarat. And in Gujarat the main districts are Panchmahal and Vadodara district. Next, Rajasthan, the district is Banswara. Andhra Pradesh, Vishakhapatnam and Kurnool. Then Jharkhand, Singhbhum. And Karnataka is the second largest producer, and the main districts are Chikmagaluru and Bellary. So all these are the states with their districts or cities where manganese is mined in India. Next mineral is bauxite. And here again India is the third largest producer of bauxite in the world. India has earned a name in bauxite too. What are the uses of bauxite? Bauxite is a raw material for making aluminium. and aluminium is used in many areas. Then the second use is bauxite is used for making aircrafts, ships, and also utensils which are used in our homes. Then it is used in electrical industry. Why? Because of its good conductivity. It is also used for making headlight reflector, mirrors and telescope. And lastly, bauxite is also used in cement industries for making cement, chemicals, soda cans and the dishwashers. Let us see the distribution of bauxite in India. So again we'll see the main states with two districts of each. The first state is Odisha and the main districts are Kalahandi, Koraput, Sundargarh. Next is Jharkhand. In Jharkhand, the main districts are Ranchi and Palamau. Next state is Madhya Pradesh. The districts are Mandla and Balaghat. The next state is Chhattisgarh and the districts are Bilaspur and Durg. Then next state is, here you can see we are on page 179. In Maharashtra, bauxite is found in Ratnagiri districts and Satara district, even in Pune district. Then Tamil Nadu, in this state it is found in Salem and Nilgiri district. Okay, and then come to the last mineral, copper. Copper is highly ductile. It means copper is able to be drawn out into a thin wire, which are mainly used in electrical industries. It is very strong. This wire is, though it is thin, but it is very strong and it is a good conductor of electricity. What? Copper. So let us see what are the main uses of copper. Firstly, we can see, or we have studied, that in the early days of civilization, copper was used for making arms, ammunitions and utensils. There was a fashion of copper utensils. Now, in the modern world also it is used, where it is mainly used in electrical machinery, automobile industry, stainless steel and telephones. Copper is also used in railway equipment industry and also in other engineering works. Copper is widely used for making alloys such as brass. Copper plus zinc, okay, and with tin as bronze. So all these are the uses of copper, right? You learn at least 3 uses of each. Now let us see the distribution of copper in India, means in which states and which districts it is found. The first state is Madhya Pradesh and the main districts are Taregaon and Balaghat districts. Second state is Rajasthan and the main districts are this is a belt, Khetri Singhara belt in Jhunjhunu district. So we can say that Jhunjhunu district is the main area. Then other districts are Ajmer, Alwar and Bhilwara. You can learn any 2 here. Then Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the 3rd largest producer of copper. And the main districts are Hazaribagh and Palamau district. So it is all about the 3 minerals. Which 3 minerals? The bauxite, copper and manganese. So we have seen that all these minerals are very useful for the economic growth of our country. In the next video, I'll be teaching you about the energy resources.